In this video, we will look at how to install Yaware Timetracker using the network or using the Messiah package and standard administration features. To do this, you must have network administrator rights. Installation using Yaware Network Setup. Go to your personal account and select the menu Add Employee. Remote installation. Here you can download Yaware Network Setup, which will allow you to install the Yaware client remotely on employees' computers in your network. Download the installation program. Install Yaware Network Setup following the instructions of the installer. Run the program. Enter the name and password of a user with network administrator rights. Select the computers on which you want to install Yaware Timetracker. Click Install. After the installation is successfully completed, the Yaware client version will appear next to the computer name, and the status of the service will be changed to Running. From this moment on, Yaware is already collecting employee performance statistics, and in 15 minutes, it will be available for viewing in the personal account. Installation using an Messiah package. You can create an Messiah package yourself using the free MSI wrapper utility. Or you can request it from our support team. Contact our support team, and we will send you the generated Messiah package. Create an Messiah package. Download MSI Wrapper, a program that will allow you to convert an X file into an Messiah package. You can find a direct link in the description of this video. Install the program by going through all the installation steps. Run MSI Wrapper and click Next in the window that appears. Specify the path to the Timetracker setup.x file that was previously downloaded in your account on Yaware.com. Specify the path to the Messiah file. Click Next. Use the default values in the following steps. Generate a new key for the programs. To do this, click Create New. After the new key is generated, click Next. Check the data and click Next. In the next step, leave the fields blank and click Next. In the window that appears, click Build. After the MSI package is finished building, move the file to the shared folder for domain users and configure Active Directory. After that, the Yaware client will be automatically installed on employees' computers.